Do we have food for them?
No.
Like, she's pregnant. You got it? Morning. So last night was amazing. The place was beautiful. Everything worked how it was supposed to. And I still can't believe we actually stayed in a grain bin. Like, who stays in a grain bin? We do. And we did. And it was so much fun. Alright, I just noticed this. Look at that. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and leave now. We're going to go to breakfast. And the breakfast spot we're going to be headed off to is somewhere that sells pancakes. And guys, look at this right here. Let me show you this. There's an old farm right there. I don't know if you can see this or not. I don't think you can see it, but it's right there.
Alright, YouTube. We're gonna do a walkthrough on the farmhouse stay. We're out here. It's very quiet. Oh. So we rented this for 2 nights. We're gonna do a walkthrough. They provide a grill for us to cook out. But it's very beautiful and very peaceful. Got a fireplace, a nice TV. Nice kitchen.
And they have all the stools that can fit up, as well as the stairs. Here's the restroom here. So here's the restroom. This is the restroom, but we're not going to go in there just yet.
The restroom's got the laundry room as well.
Yeah. And then this is the master suite, I guess. And it has a really big closet. So here's the closet. Well, it's not that big, but it'll do for an overnight stay. And then we have the bed right here. And it has its own fan and a TV. And then come this way. So I like the little sitting area. The sitting area is really cool. We have the blinds closed, so that's why it's a little dark. But here you go. There's the lights.
There's the lights.
So you can see, have a better view of it. And this is the living room. The living room is really cozy. It looks like
it's gas.
It's a gas fireplace. We don't know how to work it just yet, but that's it. Alright, so now we're going to take you all upstairs. Tyler.
Oh, if I'm not tripping over the stairs.
So this is the second bedroom. It can sleep 2 people in here. So this is pretty cool. And you can have an overview of everything. That's cool. So there's like an overview downstairs so you can see everyone if you have people here. Oh, check out the closet, guys. The closet is amazing. Or changing room.
Yeah, I think it's a changing room.
It could be also, it could have been a bathroom too, but it looks amazing. So if anyone wants to get married here, this would be the perfect place. Look at this. This is really cool. This would be the perfect changing room place for the bride. I don't know how to close it.
And I walked across this beam last night. This beam here. I walked across it. Not really on the beam part. That's just me joking.
Oh.
So that's our farmhouse.
Alright, stop right here, Tyler. Stop so you don't go downstairs. Alright, so that's it. Thank y'all so much for watching. Like I said. Oh, that's pretty. Look at the ceiling. Nice. It smells so pretty in here. Like it actually smells pretty. Good job. Nice. Wow, this is so pretty. Got the laundry. Cool. This is pretty. This is pretty. Everything is so pretty. I love the floors. Wow. Nice. Uh-oh. That is really, really packed. This is really, really pretty. I like this. This is nice. Cool. Ooh, looks so comfy. I like it. That air feels really good. Oh, and they have a TV in here too. Cool, and a full mirror. You coming? These stairs are beautiful. Oh, this is locked. This is so pretty. Look at that. Oh my goodness, it's so pretty. Aww. 5 minutes with Jesus, making today matter. Aww. Light. Oh, it's a closet. Wow. Very nice. And then this is the view from up here. I mean, guys, this is just beautiful. Oh, wow, look at that. Uh-oh. You walked your truck?
Yeah.
Very pretty. Look at that. Beautiful roses. So pretty.